So part 4, light healers. Here we go, light workers. We need to get this energy shimmying on the planet. So the message was that Australian light workers really need to activate the solar plexus. So what I heard, or what I understand from some connected people, some higher consciousness connected people, is that every country on the planet has different energy that it works through. And at the moment, for whatever reason, Australia is the solar plexus of the planet. So it's about shifting that solar plexus energy. So I've got the scanner on, I'll just put it up a little bit more. So that's just going to be working through the frequencies of different chakras. But I'm very, very specifically interested for any light workers on the planet to activate that solar plexus chakra. The seat of our power, the seat of our self, the seat of our sovereignty. Activate that solar plexus chakra. Okay, so let's just ask energetically, Australia-wide, what level of activation do we have in the solar plexus chakras? To 100, to 90, to 80, to 70, to 60, to 50, to 40, to 30, to 20, to 10. Right, so it's really low. It's really low. Okay, so we need to activate our communal, our sovereign solar plexus chakras. Okay, so what's stuck? Is there adrenal, survival, deep survival, hidden deep survival, celestial circuit? So we'll go into the celestial circuit first. Okay, is it on the left? Is it on the right? So it's on the right. So once again, our energy in Australia is really low. Doing the right thing is exhausting. Doing the right thing. There's some interesting energy here this morning. Oh, goodness. Funny. Okay. Oh, goodness. New phone. Still haven't worked out the kinks. So the energy is that doing is exhausted. And of course, after doing what we've been doing for a couple of years, no surprise whatsoever. Okay, I release any fear and anger blocking my solar plexus chakra. I release any and all frustration blocking my solar plexus chakra. I release any and all coercion, any and all manipulation, any and all dark energies blocking my solar plexus energy. Yeah, the color of the solar plexus energy is yellow. So it's this area here. It's called Mana Pura. Okay, where do we need to go? Okay. So I grabbed a couple of flower essences that might have been possibilities. This one is Boab. Boab is for family crap. And once again, we are being told all around the world at the moment to ask people a certain question. Have they been circumcised? And if they have, not to allow them, or, you know, to have that as your guiding light as to whether or not you see people over Christmas. How does that affect your sense of power, your sense of purpose, your personal sense of sovereignty, whether you've been circumcised or not? You know, so it's one of those things that, is it anyone else's business what you are doing? Is your health anyone else's business? If we are happy, we are healthy, we are free. We are entitled to our privacy. Boab energy, 7 drops. So that's a fairly major manipulation of that broken family trust. There's family energy, there's family challenge that's going on the planet with our leaders, you know, telling people what they can and can't do, meeting up with family, meeting up with friends, meeting up with people we love. Okay, so the figure 8 energy over the torso, which includes the solar plexus energy. Shimmy, shimmy, wakey, 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 wakey. Okay. Oh no, we need more. Okay, so figure 8, we need the whole body. So from the tip of the head to the tip of the toes, yeah. So, and do we need it just with my hands, or do we need tuning forks? We need tuning forks. Okay, so let's see which ones we need. Lung. So part of the lack of solar plexus energy is grief, guilt, regret. That stuff that is just weighing down our souls, it's weighing down our egos, it's weighing down our cells. It's hard to move forward with happiness, health and love and peace in our hearts because of everything going on. So that's the first energy. Adrenals, thyroid. So we've got lungs, adrenals, thyroid. Okay, so lung energy. It's actually quite a way away from triple heater. Triple heater is more likely to be blocking lung energy, because triple heater is about that fire in your belly. It's about that imbalance with love, joy and hate. And because of all this manipulation and coercion on the planet, there's all sorts of issues associated with families at the moment where people are making their own particular mandates on the planet, which just isn't, it's not loving, it's not helpful, it's not Christian, it's not the, is that the way we want to move forward as human beings on the planet? Is it? So, so lung energy is blue and adrenal thyroid energy is orange. I increase my sense of power and purpose on the planet. I choose to be a loving light worker, moving forward with love, peace and grace. I release any and all connection to the negative, any and all connection to the dark energies, any and all connection to any Kabbalistic energy on the planet. I move forward with light, peace, love and grace in my heart. I acknowledge my spirit within. I acknowledge my godlike power within. I acknowledge my Buddhic energy within. I choose to be a light bearer on planet Earth. I choose to move through my world with peace and love. I choose every decision with a consciousness in my heart. I choose every decision with peace in my heart. I choose not to be manipulated or coerced. I choose my body's sovereignty. I choose life. I choose love. I choose happiness. I acknowledge the power of Mother Earth. I acknowledge the power of the winter solstice and summer solstice. And now I acknowledge the power of universal consciousness, universal power, quantum consciousness energy. I choose to move forward with light and love in my heart. My solar plexus is strong. My solar plexus is powerful. My solar plexus gives me protection and guidance. Okay. How's that solar plexus feeling? Do I need another tuning? Do I need another flower essence? Do I need another tuning fork? Okay. So it's okay to complete this circuit? Okay. So what percentage are we up to? So to 100 to 90 to 80 to 70 to 60 to 50 to 40. Okay, so we went up to 10 to up to 40. So that's been a nice little shift on the planet. So solar plexus energy, the center of our sovereignty, the center of our personal power, the center of that part of us that makes decisions based on our gut reactions. Do we think something is good? Do we think something's evil? Do we think something is right? Do we think something is wrong? Do we feel manipulated, or do we make a positive sovereign choice for our own bodies to move forward on this beautiful planet Earth of ours? Take care, everyone. Happy summer solstice or winter solstice, wherever you are on the planet. Take care of your chakras, and I'll see you soon.